Hi, my name is Tony from Tears Promise, and this here is Nord. Nord is a 5-year-old Dachshund Poodle, and he's my entire reason for starting this page and making these recipes. A couple years ago, Nordy came down with pancreatitis, and I almost lost him. And if it wasn't for the amazing actions of loved ones and his incredible vet who didn't know me at all at the time, I wouldn't have him. But continuing on from that, I was also told by the veterinarian that pancreatitis was just something that I was going to have to live with for the rest of Nord's life, and that his life would be shortened because of it. And I wasn't happy with that answer. So I started studying and learning as much as I could, and I developed these recipes that I make now for him. Standing on the shoulders of giants, really. Working off of the research of Dr. Karen Becker and all of the footwork and wonderful ideas that Rodney Habib from Planet Paws has come up with. And thanks to that, now Nordy has absolutely no sign of pancreatitis. He eats things that that his veterinarian said that he should never eat again, that are healthy for him and make him stronger and healthier every single day. So I'm looking very forward to sharing what I make for him and what I've told countless of other people over the last few years who have tried this, who have improved their dogs' lives, health, and just general well-being since I came up with this. So enjoy the show. How was dinner? Was it good? So, you got to see how easy that was, how fast it really is, and also how much he enjoyed it. That's Nordy eating things that I was told that he wasn't going to be allowed to eat anymore. Like actual foods with real fats and oils and real vegetables, things that I was told that were going to be hard on his little system that I don't think he could really live without. So I want to thank you again for taking the time to watch this. If anybody tries it, I'd love to see videos of other dogs eating it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Alright, and to make things easy for myself for both portioning and also storage, I like to put the meat that I'm done making in ice cube trays. Each cube is about 2 ounces, and for a 15-pound dog, he's eating 4 cubes. That stacks out pretty well if you're adding on to bigger dogs, so a 30-pound dog would eat 8. With the amount of food that I made for Nordy, I've made about 2 weeks worth of food. So I put it in the trays, cover it with saran wrap or aluminum foil, stick it in the freezer overnight, and the next day I pop it out. Comes out in one big chunk. I break apart the cubes, and I put them inside of a gallon Ziploc bag for use later. I take out the next day's feeding ahead of time, just so that it has a chance to defrost properly, because you don't want to microwave this stuff. Thanks again to Dr. Karen Becker and Rodney Habib at Planet Paws for all the work that they've done that's inspired me to create my own based on the work that they've done. Thank you for watching.